today we have like a simple braid out, but this braid out, the only difference is that I used curl formers to stretch my hair, and then I braided it after. Curl formers took me like 26 minutes to put in. It took an hour to dry underneath a hooded dryer, and probably about like 10 minutes to style, like 10 minutes after I just put in 4 big braids, and I got this result. Yeah, so it's, you know, it's not too bad.
Okay, just a few things that I would like to mention. The products in order are a mist of water, sweet almond oil, the Shea Moisture coconut and hibiscus conditioner, and Eco Style Gel olive oil. And I would use a dime size of each. And lastly, I would put my hair into 4 braids, and I would use some Jamaican black castor oil on the ends and also on the scalp for extra nourishment. The names of the products in the order that I use them will also be listed at the end of this video.